in the shop today, guys. Hey, I just want to let you know that we've taken a little hiatus off of social media and Facebook, just to catch up. We have not stopped. We've been here working every day, but we have been extremely busy, and filling these orders has taken up a lot of our time. So social media and our platforms there are kind of taking a hit. But today we're back at it. We're going to try to download a video every 2 weeks. So keep an eye out. Over there, if you look, you'll see the piggyback cylinder that just come off of one of our CNC machines that was just built. So we have, I believe, 10 of those on the shelf. So those will stay with the Outlaws and the Big Chiefs. Now, coming online is what we're going to be calling our Godfather lift. This lift is one of the baddest on the planet, and we're going to stand behind that statement, and we'll prove it. If anybody wants to compete with us or have a competition, we invite that. So Godfather lift coming on. That piggyback cylinder will be dwarfed by what's coming. So stay tuned, pay attention, and thanks for liking and subscribing. If you haven't, hit that like button and subscribe. We got a lot of content coming up and a lot of things happening, so keep it up and keep hitting them like buttons. Thanks, guys.